I heard you say at one time, and I haven't heard you say this lately, that you're really better off if you have nothing in your IRA when you die for inheritance purposes. Do you still feel that way?
Yes.
Okay. My question is this. I have considerable cash in that IRA, which I take out on my RMD every year, so I don't have to sell anything. And I also take out extra so that I've paid taxes on a little extra. And I take that money and I put that into CDs for my heirs. Is that the right thing to do? Because they will not have to pay tax on that. Is that correct?
Yes, that is the right thing to do. They're not going to have to pay any taxes on that money. So yeah, that is the way, that's what you want to do. It's a great thing to do, and I'm glad you're doing that.
Yeah. That would go for any kind of cash that I've taken out or I have. Is that correct? Like if I have,
yeah, it actually
in a checking account.
Yeah, it actually goes for any kind of investments too. Because right now, the way the tax law reads is even on an investment that has gone up dramatically, they still wouldn't pay any taxes because their cost basis would be, what it was the day the Lord called you home.
Okay. And it would go from, so what if there were then stocks in my IRA, they would only be taxed on from that point, my death. Is that correct? There would be no...
No, because your IRA is not treated as capital gain kind of investing. Your IRA is all income. Every nickel in there has to have income tax paid on it, irregardless of whether it was gained because of growth or not. So it's not treated the same way as an investment. Even though they're investments and even though they have capital gains, there is no stepped up basis because there is no investment. There is an investment, but there isn't really looked upon as investment. It's looked upon strictly as income. So every penny of that, they will pay your income tax and their income tax. Hey, remember to click the subscribe button right here on the screen. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is added. And more importantly than anything, you don't want to miss all 3 live hours of Financial Issues every day from 9 to noon. And you can watch it on FISM.tv. That's FISM.tv.